subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get notification for more informative videos.
This is what happens to your body when you eat 3 whole eggs a day. Who doesn't love waking up in the morning to a healthy breakfast of eggs and maybe a side of bacon? Whether you like them or not, eggs are also very nutritious, despite sometimes getting a bad rep as some people think that the egg yolks are high in cholesterol and will affect their diets. Have you even wondered how many eggs you can eat in a day? Or what would happen if you ate 3 eggs every single day? Keep on reading to find out what happens if you increase your egg intake. Some nutritionists say that in order to have a healthy balanced diet, you should consume up to 3 whole eggs a day. Many people are under the assumption that egg yolks are high in cholesterol, but things might not be as bad as people thought before. Joe Leach, a dietitian with an MSc in nutrition, explained that for many years people were told to limit their consumption of eggs due to the high cholesterol in the yolk. It was widely thought that the cholesterol levels in the blood would rise and lead to heart disease, which is false. Cholesterol is an important part of the cell membrane and the liver produces large amounts of it each day. When we eat eggs, the liver doesn't have to produce as much. This structural molecule is responsible for making testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol. All very important contributions to the function of the human body. Basically, if we were to consume a large portion of eggs, say, 3 of them, it would even out with the liver to make sure the body gets the correct levels of cholesterol. However, the effects of consuming whole eggs can vary person to person. For the most part, the majority of people consuming eggs experience mild to no alterations in cholesterol levels after consuming high amounts of dietary cholesterol. In fact, the 2015 to 2020 Dietary Guidelines for Americans has actually dropped their limit on dietary cholesterol, and the government's expert panel has expressed that it is no longer a nutrition of concern. Is there a limit though? How many eggs are too many? Leach explained that although there are studies showing that it is safe for us to consume up to 3 eggs a day, there are no studies showing what happens when people consume more than 3 a day or more than 21 a week. Although it's still uncharted territories as to what will happen if you eat more than 3 eggs a day, Leach explained that it is possible that it could cause changes to the health. Another thing to keep in mind is that there are different types of eggs. The healthier eggs are richer in omega-3 or come from hens raised on a pasture. Eating 3 of these eggs a day could contribute to nutritional differences over time. The science proves that eating 3 eggs a day is totally safe, and government regulations have finally caught up. They are full of multiple vitamins, with 1 whole egg containing 6 grams of protein, vitamin B2, B12, B5, and the list goes on. Eggs have several other health benefits as well, such as contributing to healthy brain development and bone health. Eating eggs during pregnancy can help the baby's brain develop due to the yolks being high in choline. Eggs can help fight iron deficiency, and protect eyesight, and help with healthy weight gain. Basically, you should make eggs a staple part of your diet right now. These everything explained in the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Medclinists. Like, share and subscribe.